Oracle AI Data Platform extends utility grid operations analytics, building on Oracle Utilities Data Intelligence Grid Insights where Oracle Meter Data Management exists, or standing it up independently where it doesn't. In this demo, AI Data Platform layers in third-party custom models, SOP reasoning and AI agents on top. Instead of digging through dashboards, they simply asks how to prioritize maintenance for the day. The agent immediately returns a ranked list. At the top, Transformer T204 stands out at extremely high risk. So the operator drills into this asset. The agent summarizes the threshold limits and shows exactly where this asset stands, across temperature, vibration, load, and other key metrics. It's not just raw numbers, it's interpreting them against SOP limits and explaining what's off. Next, the operator wants context. The agent pulls in recent maintenance history, technician notes, past incidents and surfaces the key points. This is critical to understanding past failures and risk patterns. What makes this possible is how data is brought together inside AI Data Platform. Data is ingested from multiple sources like sensor streams, asset systems, outage systems, even external data like weather APIs, along with unstructured sources like maintenance notes and SOP documents. All of this is unified into a single governed platform and organized through a Medallion architecture. At the silver layer, the foundation models handle the hard work of data cleaning and enrichment. Whether it's standardizing inconsistent asset locations for seamless analytics, or classifying unstructured outage notes into structured failure categories. And here it becomes powerful. LLMs can generate risk labels, explain the reason behind each risk, and add actionable recommendations, directly enriching the data before it ever reaches the ML layer. That curated gold layer powers the agent, combining trusted data with business knowledge and SOP. As the operator evaluates whether to take the asset offline, the agent steps in with a clear, grounded recommendation, explaining the risk, the thresholds, and the next best action. Not just insight, but a decision they can trust and act on. That's Oracle AI Data Platform.